Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed. On Google Meet you click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press that bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.